Hello, guys, welcome to the reading for Monday. A new week, new beginnings. It's also the new moon. New moon brings in setting of new beginnings. All that you want to manifest, we write our manifestation lists on the day of the new moon, and it is also solar eclipse. It's been predicted lots and lots of energetic changes are happening, galactic changes are happening, and if you see, look at the beautiful cards that have been spread today. There are three from the Archangel Power Tarot and two from the Oracle of the Archangels. And look at the lovely messages, one leading to the other. It's an entire story. And I'm going to start with the very first card of prosperity. The prosperity card is that of Archangel Ariel. She is the angel of abundance, bringing in lots of prosperity, bringing in abundance in all areas of your life. And this card says that all the hard work that you have put in, all the smart work that you have put in, and all the dreams that you have been manifesting and working towards are all going to be coming into reality. This is that time when you are going to bear the fruits of everything that you have sown. All your materialistic needs are going to be fulfilled. So do not worry, have faith, listen to your intuition, go by whatever your gut says, and keep the faith, because the universe definitely has your back. From here it led to the second card, which was Three of Michael card, and this card says release the past. You will grow from this situation. Time heals all wounds. Everything that we have all been going through, including the lockdown and the pandemic, this is the time to let go of all of it. As it is the years coming to an end, as it is the solar eclipse and the new moon, as I said. So time to manifest anew. Let go of all the baggages. Every single day the same messages are coming, guys, and see how beautifully Archangel Michael is around you. There is peace coming your way. He is engulfing you in his love. So just call out to Archangel Michael. Know that he is there. Anything that's hurting you, let go of it. There are a lot of things that have gone in everyone's life. People have lost jobs. There has been a crunch on the money front, but knowing that prosperity is coming your way, and you need to release your past so that all the other benefits that archangels and the universe is ready to give you should be taken into account, and you should enjoy each one of it. See, from here it leads to overcoming difficulties. All that you have gone through, it's the end of that cycle. Archangel Jermiel is confirming that the worst is behind you. Anything that you think that, oh, this happened this year and I lost my job and I lost my work and I lost my loved ones, know that all those hurt, all those negativities that we have been feeling and sensing are all behind us. With the new changes that are happening, the galactic changes that are happening, there are so many shifts in the energies that are happening around us. Know that now you are stronger. These situations were important in your life. Now that you have overcome it, it's all these challenges are done and over with. Now is the time for new beginning. Look at this beautiful, the wheel. Can you see the story that it says? Which is why I always say cards just give us all the messages, and I completely love the way the spirit world and the angels bring in the messages. An entire story is told with the cards. And see, as I was talking about the new beginnings, with the new moon, it is the time of new beginnings. The wheel itself says Archangel Jermiel has come twice today. So it says new beginnings, end of delays, a change in the direction that offers happiness. So any opportunity, possibilities that are coming your way, please listen to your intuition. Go by letting go of everything that has happened in your past. It is a time to overcome your difficulties. It is time to learn from what has gone wrong to make it right now. It is the time for abundance. It is the time to bring in joy in your life. And the last card that came out, it literally fell off the deck while shuffling, is the moon card. And as I said, the new moon definitely has a message. It is the opportunity to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition. How many times are they asking us to listen to our intuitions? Face your fears and grow stronger. You have already faced whatever was the worst, and now leave that behind. All your previous challenges have only taught you better. So now listen to your intuition intuition, face the fears, go stronger. Whatever plans you have made, now is the time for it to come into reality. The time will heal all the wounds. No matter what you have faced during this time, you will grow stronger. Release the past, let go, and look at how beautiful the life circle is going to be. New moon, new energies coming your way, and I'm wishing you so much of love and luck, and have faith, because as I say, the universe does have your back. Have a lovely day, and I shall see you soon. Bless you.